Good morning, class 6. Welcome to English class. Today we are going to read an interesting story, Little Girls Wiser Than Men. This story is written by Leo Tolstoy and it tells about the innocence and purity of little children like you. You all quarrel with your friends while playing. How much time do you take to forget about the quarrel and be friends again? Hardly few minutes or few hours, I can say. Next day, you just become friends again. Yes or no? I think yes. So, in this story, Malasha and Akulya are friends. They fight, but after some time, they become friends again. So, let's read the story. It was an early Easter. Sledging was only just over. Snow still lay in the yards and water ran in streams down the village street. It was an early Easter. Easter is a Christian festival which celebrates the resurrection of Jesus Christ. So here Easter, it is a Christian festival. Sledging was only just over. Snow still lay in the yards and water ran in streams down the village street. Sledging, do you know what is the meaning of sledging? Sledging is an act of riding over snow in a special vehicle called sledge. Because snow was there in the yard and people were sledging over there, but now it is over. Why it is over? Because snow has started melting and the water is running down to the village street. Two little girls from different houses happened to meet in a lane between two homesteads. Where the dirty water after running through the farmyard had formed a large puddle. So, two little girls meet with each other in a street and there was a puddle had formed. Why puddle was there? Puddle, a small amount of water or other liquid that has collected in one place on the ground. You can see there is a puddle because snow was melting and the water was coming down to the street. That is why puddle was formed. One girl was small, the other a little bigger. Their mothers had dressed them both in new frocks. They were in new frocks. Why? Because it was Easter. It was a festival now. That is why they were dressed in new frocks. The little one wore a blue frock. The other wore a yellow frock. And both had red handkerchief on their head. You can see red handkerchiefs on their heads. They had just come from the church when they met and first they showed each other their finery. When you just wear new clothes, you just show to your friends. Yes, in the same way, both the girls were showing their beautiful clothes and ornaments to each other. Finery means brightly colored dresses and jewelry. And then they began to play. Soon the fancy took them to splash about in the water and the smaller one was going to step into the puddle. Fancy took them as and when they felt like doing something. There was an idea in their mind and One of them went to the puddle with her shoes and all. When the elder checked her, "Don't go in so, Malasha," said she. "Your mother will scold you. I will take off my shoes and stockings and you take off yours." Akulya shouted and said, "Malasha, take off your shoes, otherwise your mother will scold you." They did so, and then, picking up their skirts, began walking towards each other through the puddle. The water came up to Malasha's ankle, and she said, "It is deep, Akulya, I am afraid." Now, both of the girls they were just going to the puddle. Water came up to Malasha's ankle and she shouted, "It is deep, I am afraid." "Come on," replied the other. "Don't be frightened. It won't get any deeper." Akulya replied, "Don't be afraid. It is no deep." When they got near one another, Akulya said, "Mind, Malasha, don't splash. Walk carefully." So Akulya shouted at Malasha, "Walk carefully, don't splash." Why she said this? Because the water was just coming over Akulya. That is why Akulya asked Malasha to be careful. She had hardly said this when Malasha plumped down. Put down abruptly or with a heavy force. Her foot so that the water splashed right onto Akulya's frock. Malasha was just tapping her feet very forcefully. That is why water splashed right onto Akulya's frock. The frock was splashed and so were Akulya's eyes and nose. When she saw the stains on her frock, she was angry and ran after Malasha to strike her. Now, Akulya was angry. Why she was angry? Because the stain was there on her frock and on her face and nose also. That is why she just ran after Malasha to strike her. Malasha was frightened, and seeing that she had got herself into trouble, she scrambled out of the puddle. Now she was afraid that Akulya will definitely beat her, so she just ran out of the puddle and prepared to run home. Just then Akulya's mother happened to be passing, and seeing that her daughter's skirt was splashed and her sleeves dirty, she said, "You naughty dirty girl, what have you been doing?" Now her mother, Akulya's mother, just saw that her daughter's clothes are dirty and she started scolding her. "Malasha did it on purpose," replied the girl. Akulya said that Malasha had done this to me. At this, Akulya's mother seized Malasha and struck her on her back. Now, what? Akulya's mother just caught Malasha and gave a slap. Malasha began to howl so that she could be heard all down the street. Her mother came out. Malasha started shouting, and everyone was hearing her. Her mother came out. So today we are going to read the chapter till here only. Now you can just see what had happened in the story, right?